everyone, welcome. Today's video we're going to be transforming my room. Right now it's really plain, there's nothing on the walls, so we're going to be doing a little room transformation video. Everything is very Pinterest inspired. Room decor inspired me to do something about my walls, so we're going to be changing it up a little bit. But first I need to show you guys how the room looks right now. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that I can post more content like this. This is pretty much my room. This is the bed where the magic doesn't happen, and then there's a lot of junk on my desk there, so I'm just gonna hide it like that. Very basic, and my plants there and messy desk and my bed and everything. Picture wall of my family, friends, mirror, washing basket. Okay, so I literally went everywhere looking for stuff. I went to the mall, I went to like the shops, I went to thrift shops, I went everywhere. I settled with the theme of like a brown theme, brown aesthetic. Like you can see the walls are kind of like creamish, so I think with brown it will like mix well. So I got a couple of things, and I don't know how all this will make sense on my walls. I'll try to make it look cute and pretty, but I hope everything works. I also went to like the printing shop to print some prints that I wanted on the wall, and I'll show you guys inspirational photos on the sides. I got like little tiny baskets, and these baskets they're a lot. I'm not gonna use all of them, but they were selling all of them for a ridiculous price. They were selling them as a lot. They have like different patterns. If you see with these, they're gonna look nice like on the wall, and there's so many, so I can do like different designs with them. I got a frame, a brown frame as well. So with the frame, I'm going to put in the prints that I got. So I'm gonna put in this print here, like it says Matisse. See a lot of these things like on Pinterest. I printed another one just on regular paper. Justly, love mercifully, walk humbly. And it's a verse from the Bible with all these flowers as well. So these flowers also sticking to the brown aesthetic theme. This wasn't planned, but I saw this and I just had to have it. It's also another plant pot. I might put a plant in it, or I might just leave it like this. I don't know, but it's like a gray whole thing. And then I keep seeing these pictures of people having records in their rooms, which looks really cool. And I know that there's a shop here, a thrift shop, that sells records for a really like low price. I was in there looking for records. Obviously I don't have a record player. I'm not gonna use them. I mean, I'm gonna use them maybe one day if I keep them and take care of them, but I'm gonna put them on the wall, so I don't think they will be usable. We'll see. Also, I was picking records that I liked the artwork of, like this one. I don't know if I'm gonna hang them on the wall, because you can hang them on the wall because they look like pieces of art, if you ask me. And then inside, and it looks brand new. I really like how this looks more than I thought. Might hang these on the wall. I'm thinking this wall actually. These are for my curtains, my lace curtains. Last time I just hung them over, and I didn't even put them like on the curtain. You know, this curtain stuff. Yeah. Related to home decor, but not related to my room. I got these really cute bowls. I really like them, brown as well. I have these frames that I already had, two of them. So I just cut up that print and I put them in these two frames. And then the Matisse print, I put it in here.